Mix lemon with garlic and you'll never have to visit the doctor again. Just one glass of this natural drink is enough to cleanse your kidneys, achieve beautiful skin and much more. To start, take 2 lemons and cut them into small pieces. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, promotes collagen production for radiant skin, and contributes to kidney detoxification. Remember to save the video to remember it and subscribe. Next, chop 4 cloves of garlic. Garlic has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, thereby supporting the overall health of the body. Combine all the ingredients in a pot and add a tablespoon of turmeric. Pour water into the pot and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that will enhance the benefits of this healing potion. Once ready, drink this healing elixir every morning on an empty stomach and discover the health benefits it will bring. Share the video and subscribe to support me.